Alright, so we're still on the worksheet solving quadratic binomials 1A. I'm going to hop down to the second page, and now on this page, you notice we have some binomials that are already factored for us. It says that in the instruction, the following quadratic binomials have been factored for you. Use the zero product property to solve for x. You may get more than one solution. So in order to do this paper, you have to remember it mentions the zero product property. So you know what the zero product property is. The zero product property says that if I have two things that multiply to make 0, either the first one is 0 or the second one is 0. And remember, we have this odd use of the word or in math, where in math or can mean one, the first one, or the second one, or both. So we're actually going to see both of these problems. And I'm going to go ahead and do problem 12. So this is a factored binomial. Its original unfactored form would be 7x squared plus 105x. You don't need to worry about that. But what we do want to notice is, well, I have 7x, which is a thing, monomial, times a second thing, this binomial, gives me 0. Well, what does the zero product property say in this case? Well, if two things multiply to get 0, that means either the first one, 7x, is equal to 0, or the second one, x plus 15, is equal to 0. And so hopefully you can see this is why we had those little problems on the front page, just to prepare us for here. I've written two new equations. I have this one original one, and I need to solve them both separately. Over here, I'm going to divide by 7, and hopefully remember, you can't divide by 0, but you can divide 0 by a number. 0 divided by anything except for 0 is 0. That's a solution, right? A solution to an equation means tell me what x is. Well, that tells me that x is 0. But that's not the only solution. Over here on the right, I'm going to subtract 15 from both sides. And this gives me the equation x equals negative 15. So that's two solutions. And I believe on this set of problems, most of them will have two solutions. So just again, remember what's going on here. The zero product property. What does it say? It says if two things multiply to get 0, either the first one is 0 or the second one is 0. So that's what gives us the authority to create these two separate equations, and then we just solve them using our Algebra 1 skills, basically. Alrighty, good luck with those.